Hello everyone, welcome back to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit, and once again I welcome all of you in the video series of financial reporting in Python. So this is the first video in that series, and in this video we'll be going to prepare a bar chart based on the data provided by a company, and we would like to represent the year-wise expenditure in the form of a bar graph. So let me tell you the scenario first of all. So that's my scenario. That's my business requirement, that I have to present the company financial data in year-wise expenditure using bar graph in Python. And the bar should be represented in different colors, in three different colors, along with proper axis labels, x-axis labels, y-axis labels, and also the data points I want to add on the bar, and they are placed in three different colors. So first of all, we will be going to see that how to display the chart, how to display the bar graph by using Python. And later on in the same video, we'll be going to see that how can we save the file, save the chart bar graph in the PDF format so that we can directly export or we can share it with other users through an email. So that's the requirement. So first of all, let's have a look at the business data. So that is my business data which I have been received from my company name. Let's suppose the company name is XYZ and I received the financial data from that company, and there are various columns like these: scenarios, years, periods, views, region. They are operating in different regions, and they have few financial elements like net profit, net balance, and profit margin. They are working with different accounts as well. They are working on two different products, two or more different products, and they are dealing with different customers, and that's the expenditure they have done in different amounts. So that's the financial data. So first of all, we'll be going to read the data in a Python, and then based on that data we'll start preparing report or the chart. So let's start doing that. So for this, I'm going to use the Python editor. That's the ideally Python editor. And I'm going to create a new file. So I create a new file here, and we can close it if it is not required right now. So we can close it. So before actual start working on graphing in Python or plotting in Python, we need to make sure two libraries we need to install in your directory, in local directory of Python. First one is the NumPy, and second one is the pandas, and third one is the matplotlib. These need to be installed previously. If they are not installed, you need to install them by using the pip installer command by going into command prompt of your system. So I'll start writing it. So first I write import CSV. I'm going to import the numpy as np. Then I import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. I'm going to use this plt one, and import pandas as pd. Numpy is basically for arrays and pandas is for mainly for data frames. So first I write cr is equal to csv dot reader. This command is to read the data, read the CSV file, and this CSV file, this financial data which we have received, this will be in CSV format, and I have stored in my local drive. That's the financial data. That is my file, financial data. So the location is D drive, and financial data.csv, and I want to read in the binary format, read binary. And we need to specify open as well. I'm going to create few of the variables here. So total is equal to 0, and total 1 equal to 0, and total 2 equal to 0 because I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to apply the calculations based on the scenario. Now as you can see here, we have got the scenario. We have two types of scenario, actual and budgeted cost. So I would like to calculate the expenditure done by the year wise expenditure only for the actual, because the budgeted I don't want to present that. So for that I write for row in CR, then I specify year is equal to row 1. This is to extract only the required rows. Row is row 0, scenario for 0, and expenses is equal to the last row, last column, that will be the amount 1, and the index of that will be 10. Then I check here that if year equal 2014 and scenario equal actual, so that's the if condition. I just apply the function here, total plus equal to float expenses. So I calculate it for all the 3 years. Then I'm going to create a series. So I create a series here because for a bar plot or bar chart we need to create series. So I create a series. X is equal to these are the 3 years we have. Then X underscore pos is equal to np dot range length of X. This should be, let's say, pos. And Y is equal to, that's the Y series, so total comma total 1 comma total 2, and X is equal to PD dot series Y comma index is equal to X. Then we would like to place this, we would like to present this in a graphical format in a bar plot. So for that I write PLT dot Y label. First of all I set the label PLT dot Y label expenditure in crore, PLT dot X label years, then PLT dot I set the title as well, PLT dot title year wise expenditure, PLT dot X ticks X underscore pos comma X comma rotation equal to vertical. So that's the basically uh, to place the uh, points, to specify these points, these figures in the vertical format. So we have x-axis label, we have y label, and we have the title. So that's all I have already specified. That's the y label, x label, title, and x text. And also I would like to present the graphs, the bars in different colors. So I specify my color is equal to RG, RGB, YMC. These are different colors, so it will start placing the colors. It will start coloring the bars from the sequence. For A comma B in zip, X underscore pos comma Y, pos comma Y, plt dot text a comma b comma str b. That's the finally for placing the points. And I would like to plot the bar, so I write here pd dot series dot plot s. S is for series, comma kind is equal to bar, kind is equal to bar, and at last color is equal to my color. I specify the color as well, and plt dot show. Indentation is very important. Plt dot show. So let's save this test report 1 and let's execute. So now when I press F key to run it, so either we can click on run and click on run module, or we can directly press F5 key. So when I press F5 key, you can see the chart has been successfully created along with the index values and the labels, values on data points, as well as we have year wise the title, the X label, Y label. So that is how we can prepare a chart. Now my next requirement is, instead of displaying the bar graph here, instead of placing the bar graph or displaying it, I just wanted to save in a PDF so that I can share with my users, or I can publish it on my website as well, so that I can share it along with my users. So in order to do that, we need to do a little bit customization and we need to import few more libraries. So first of all, what I'll do is here I write import matplotlib as CM, and from matplotlib dot backends dot backend underscore PDF import PDF pages. And because I just wanted to save the data, I don't want to display any data, so I can make it as a comment, so it will not display. And I start here for loop, means I just check here with just to make sure that it will store in the PDF, even though if there is any error. Matplotlib, sorry, with PDF pages, and we need to specify the location. So I want to store in my D drive. So D drive, I specify the location here, D drive, year wise expenditure as PDF, and obviously we need to indent it because indentation is very important in Python. So you can see the alignment has been done successfully, and what I have done here, I have saved here pdf.save figure and I close this PLT. It is very necessary to close the PLT after the image has been closed. And if you want to add more information along with this, so I write here D is equal to pdf dot info dict and provide the details like title, what's the title of the report. So I write here year wise expenditure, who's the author, I'll give BISP solutions. Then I specify subject equal to financial reports. So that's all, and let's save it and run it again. So I simple click on run module. You can see there is no error message and nothing to be displayed, the report not displayed. But if you go and check on D drive, because the report has been saved in a D drive, because the location which I specify here, that is on my D drive. So I specify on my D drive there should be one PDF file named as year-wise expenditure. So let's get to the D drive, and here you'll find out we have a year-wise expenditure report which was created just now. And if I open it, we can see we have the report along with the title and the label and everything. And if we get to its property page, we have the security or details. We can see the author and the name and the type and everything. So that's how we can create a report, how we can generate a report in Python based on the scenario, based on the requirement, and also we can export it as a PDF so that we can share it with our users. So that's all in this video. In our next consecutive video, I will be going to discuss that instead of specifying the explicit, means here we have specified the years explicitly. Next video will be going to see how can we generate the reports to get the years or the region automatically based on the series, based on the labels, how to assign them. And in our next consecutive series, we'll be going to see how to represent the same thing by using pie chart as well, and how to export it in a PDF. That's all. If you have any queries, you can write to us on bisptrainings.com, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Python. Have a nice day. Goodbye.